Helly Hansons, the mini mansions. The girls in the Aruba doing belly dancing. Spent half of my advancing, jars from Branson to make it through my circumstances. But you know I'm wise enough just to hide my pound. Got a house in the so I might give a 6 to my chick.
Here is the hair I'm using for this video, and it's called Brazilian King from Nouveau hair factory. The packaging is top notch. Like, I love the packaging so much. It was shipped via Amex. Shipping took about 4 to 5 days. I got the parcel on Saturday, meaning that it delivers weekends too. They sent me 3 bundles of Brazilian King hair, all 22 inches and a frontal. The hair is really beautiful, no chemical smell at all, true to length. In case if you are interested in buying their products, they have a lot of hair. They don't just have King hair, they have other hairs too. In case if you are interested in getting their hair, you can send them a message via Facebook and Instagram. Nouveau hair factory. The texture of the hair is really cool. It feels so soft, and the hair is lightweight. The hair is very affordable. Come back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in today. I have been doing a series on wig making without closure, and this is like the 5th edition, I think. Please subscribe if you haven't. Join the family. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. It will really help me. And also, just placing the wig cap on the mannequin using T-pins to secure it. You guys have seen me do this like several times, starting from the back, sewing like so, and also doing the turnover method. This video I'm not going to use the frontal because you guys already know that I've been doing like a series, like I said before, on how to make a wig without a frontal, and I really want this hair to look natural, so I'm not going to use the frontal for now. I just want to add that if you haven't seen the previous video on how to make a wig without a closure, I will encourage you to do so because they are more detailed. I explained every step on the way as I go. Said before, I'm just doing the turnover method, no cutting, because I don't like cutting the weft of my weave-on. It hurts so dearly. Anyways, that's part of maintenance, right? I'm sewing it in a U shape and gradually sewing to the front. Our focus is the closing, right? So I don't really want to stress much about the back. This wig cap is typically meant for braided wig because of the closure net in front, and so we'll just use it as a guide to the closing. Now that we are approaching the front of the wig, instead of continuing, don't know if there's any word like that, but you guys know what I mean, right? We take the weave on further to cover the remaining part of the front, then turn it over when I get to the end of the wig cap before the closure net. This is because I'm going to cut off the closure net after I'm done sewing the hair. We'll continue sewing until there are no more space to be sewed on, and I'm still doing the turnover method until I get very close to the U shape I created before. Hope I'm not confusing you and hope you are understanding the explanation. After I'm done sewing, we just cut off the lace that comes with the wig cap so I can attach the comb that will help hold the hair while I'm wearing it. Please ignore my face, the sun is really affecting my eyes. That's why I'm kind of covering my eyes, or I'm kind of closing my eyes. So yeah, here is the final look. Thanks so much for watching this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, like, share to friends and family, leave a comment on what you want to see up next on this channel and what you think about this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Stay blessed. Bye.
You are am strong when I am on your shoulders. You raise me up to more than I can be. Thank you, God, for everything, for another chance of living.